Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about consultations, and we get a lot of requests for consultations by phone and by Zoom in some cases. So I want to talk about what to expect during a consultation with us. When we consult with you, your appointment will be booked for either 30 minutes or 1 hour. Keep in mind, before we book your appointment, the first step is going to be to call our office so that we can do a very detailed intake. The purpose of this intake is that we want to make sure that we are able to help you and answer your questions. If we need a consultation, because in some cases, the intake presents a problem that can be very simply solved and we don't need a consultation. And it is also an opportunity for me to have your notes ahead of time so that if there is any research that needs to be done or if there's any issue that I need to make sure about, that we are not wasting time during the consultation with rehashing those same issues. So the format of the consultation, first of all, always starts with me assuring you that everything we talk about is confidential. Everything we talk about during a consultation, whether it's in person or by phone, is 100% confidential. And the other thing you should know is that the purpose of this consultation is going to be so that you walk away knowing exactly what your next steps of action should be. You should walk away from a consultation having clarity of mind, having a plan or a strategy at least until the very next step that you need to take. That is the purpose of a consultation, so that you can move forward from a place of overwhelm, from a place of confusion, from a place of unsurety to a place of certainty. That's our goal, always. Even if we don't have an answer that gives you the whole map, we will always try to give you enough information so that you can take the next steps with clarity and confidence moving forward, okay? That's the purpose of a consultation. The other thing is that the consultations format will be 30 minutes or 1 hour. It will be in person. Well, now with coronavirus, we're trying to do more things remotely, so less consultations, less and less are in person. We're doing Zoom consultations for 1 hour. We're doing 30-minute calls. The reason we book things for a minimum of 30 minutes is because what I find is that 30 minutes is just enough time for you to really get your story out of your chest and to make sure that the solutions we present are exactly relevant to you, so that you have an opportunity to ask additional questions. We can explain things to you in a way that makes it actionable and easy to understand. Okay? So if you do decide to call us at 312-854-7065. The first step we will do when you call our phone number is we will do an intake. That intake will be an opportunity to get a very detailed note about your legal issue, so that before your consultation, we'll have an opportunity to look at that and make sure that we're addressing all of your questions. So again, that phone number is 312-854-7065. Call us if you'd like for us to get started with the process and do your intake so that we can book you for a consultation. Thank you so much and have a happy rest of the evening.